everyone. Welcome to Programming Perception. I am Amit Kumar and this video series is BlueJ for 10th. What are the topics that we will study in Class 10th ICSE syllabus? Well, most of you might be wondering about it. But don't you worry. Chapters, topics and objectives of each chapter are explained in this video. So without wasting any time further, let's proceed. This is our first tutorial of BlueJ for 10th, and in this tutorial we are going to have a course overview of our syllabus. In this tutorial we will see what we have to revise from class 9th, some concepts of objects and classes, user-defined methods, constructors, encapsulation, single-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, character class, and string class. So let's see them one by one. For the revision of class 9th, you can go through our BlueJ for 9th video series by clicking on the top right corner right now, or the link is available in the description below. The topics you will cover in that series are Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming, Elementary Concept of Objects and Class, Values and Data Types, Operators in Java, Input in Java, Mathematical Library Methods, Conditional Constructs and Iterative Constructs in Java, and of course Nested For Loop. You can go through that whole video series before you proceed. In the video series of BlueJ for 10th, the first topic we will discuss is objects and classes. In this topic, we will see how objects encapsulate state and behavior, what are member variables or attribute or feature, what are member methods or operations or messages, and how they are defined, why class is an object factory, what are primitive and composite data types, how to declare variables for both data types, what are the differences of these data types, why objects are known as instance of class, and various real-life examples for explaining the concept of object and class. The next topic that we will study in class 10th is user-defined methods. Under this topic, we will study what is the need of method, what is the syntax of creating method, what are different forms of methods, how methods are defined, how we call methods or invoke a method, and what are different ways of invoking a method, how modular programming is implemented with multiple methods, what are actual and formal parameters, what are pure and impure methods, what are static and non-static methods, what is polymorphism, and how methods are overloaded. Once methods are over, we will study constructors. In this topic, we will discuss what is constructor, what are characteristics and type of constructors, what are use of constructors, what is constructor overloading and how it is created, what are differences between constructor and methods. Under the topic of library classes, we will study what are wrapper classes and what are various methods of wrapper class, how these methods of wrapper class are used with numeric and character data types, what is autoboxing and what is unboxing. Under the topic of encapsulation, we will study what are access specifiers, what are visibility rules for private, protected and public access specifiers, what is scope of a variable, what are class variables and what are instance variables, what are argument variables and what are local variables. The next and one of the most important topic that we will study is array. In array, we will study what is an array, what are different types of arrays, how to declare, initialize and accept data of single and double dimensional arrays, how to access the elements of single and double dimensional arrays, what are various sorting and searching techniques, what are various applications of double dimensional array. The last topic to discuss in class 10th is string. In this topic, we will study what is string, what are various methods of string class, how to use string array, and different methods of string class that we will discuss are shown on the screen. I know you might be thinking that most of these things you have not seen before, or might be some of you are using it. But you know, in this video series, we are going to talk in detail of each and everything. So stick together with the whole series and you are going to understand each and everything. So that makes the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we have seen our course overview of class 10th. The topics were revision of class 9th. So I recommend you again go through that BlueJ For 9th video series, whose link is actually given in the description. Object in class, user defined methods, constructors, encapsulation, single dimensional array, two dimensional array, character class, string class. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Please like the video and leave your comments. Don't forget to share the videos. Hope to meet you in the next video tutorial. Till then, thank you and happy programming.